Welcome to Bike Plus, your destination for the latest tech, defense, and innovation updates. In this video, we're diving into one of India's most anticipated defense advancements, the HAL RUAV-200 drone, a next-generation rotary-wing unmanned aerial vehicle developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL. Unveiled with cutting-edge upgrades in 2025, the RUAV-200 marks a significant leap in India's indigenous drone technology. Overview of the RUAV-200. The RUAV-200, short for Rotary Unmanned Aerial Vehicle, is a 200 kg class drone designed for high-end surveillance, reconnaissance, and intelligence missions. Built on the Chetan helicopter airframe, it's a powerful blend of proven aerodynamics and advanced autonomous systems. The latest 2025 iteration includes improved flight stability, enhanced payload capacity, and better integration with Indian defense networks. Key specifications and capabilities. The RUAV-200 has an endurance of over 6 hours, a service ceiling of 6,000 meters, and a range exceeding 200 kilometers. Equipped with electro-optical sensors, real-time video streaming, and synthetic aperture radar, it delivers precision surveillance capabilities even in low-visibility conditions. A new autopilot system and GPS-guided navigation enable fully autonomous takeoff, flight, and landing, making it highly suitable for both naval and land-based operations. Strategic role in Indian defense. In 2025, the RUAV-200 is being positioned as a critical asset for the Indian Navy and Army. For coastal surveillance, it can patrol vast ocean stretches, identify threats, and relay intelligence in real time. In border operations, it aids in tracking movements across challenging terrains like the Himalayas. Its compact size and VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, capability allow deployment from warships, remote bases, and mobile platforms, significantly enhancing India's tactical flexibility. Indigenous development and collaboration. The RUAV-200 is a testament to India's push for self-reliance in defense manufacturing. HAL has collaborated with several domestic tech firms and research institutions to develop subsystems, software, and sensors. This collaborative approach ensures reduced import dependency, quicker upgrades, and better customization for India's unique security needs. Future potential and upgrades. HAL plans to integrate AI-powered target recognition, encrypted communications, and weaponization options in future variants. There are also discussions around civilian applications like disaster management and environmental monitoring. As testing continues in 2025, the RUAV-200 is well on its way to becoming a standard fixture in India's UAV fleet. Conclusion. The 2025 HAL RUAV-200 is more than just a drone, it's a symbol of India's growing technological prowess and strategic foresight. With its enhanced capabilities and indigenous roots, it's set to redefine the future of unmanned operations. Stay tuned to Bike Plus for more in-depth insights into defense and innovation from around the world.